Okay guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your PowerPoint presentation into two different formats. We have you can convert to um, a different soft copy document format like PDF. You can also convert to handout. You can convert to XPS document. You can also convert your PowerPoint slideshow to or presentation to video, all right, to live video you can play on any device that allows multimedia. So now let's see how to convert to PDF format. So I'm going to go over to, I already designed a presentation, a PowerPoint presentation right here on the topic evolution of fashion. So I'm going to go over to file to convert it to PDF, and then I have export. You can also use the save as option, but the export option is the best method to use. So I'll go to export and then create PDF/XPS, all right, and tap on the button right here. So this is going to open the PDF options right here. So now I'm going to select the folder. Where do I want to put or place my PDF? I'm going to place it inside or save it inside document, and then that is the topic evolution of fashion. Okay, so right here, if I want the PDF to open, all right, I want to see the preview of my PDF document. I'm going to tap on it, all right, so that once this document converts to PDF, it's going to open it on my browser or on my PDF reader for me to see the preview. So now I'm going to tap on publish, and it's going to publish it as a PDF file. As you can see at the bottom there, it's currently converting to PDF. All right, so once it converts, it's going to open this file as a PDF document, no longer a slideshow, meaning that all the multimedia that is playable media like video and music added to this slideshow, they are not going to play anymore. This is going to be an icon, and then the videos are going to be converted to pictures. Okay, so let's wait few seconds for it to finish converting. Okay, conversion is complete, and it's going to automatically open this on my browser. For now, my browser is my default PDF reader, and you can see it there. That's my PDF document right there, high quality PDF. I can do whatever I want with this, send it to anybody over the internet or between devices. Okay, and I can even do a presentation from here, but again, like I said, the multimedia is not going to play. All right, so that is how you convert to PDF. Now let's go to video. How do I convert it to video? I want to convert this slideshow to video, so I'll go to file. Once again, you locate export, click on that, and then select create a video. All right, create a video, and then you can see the video options here. We have different video formats. Ultra HD, which is the 4K, for now is the highest quality on the list, or Ultra HD or 4K quality. We have Full HD, we have HD, which is high definition, and then we have standard quality. And you should know that the higher the quality, the larger the size, the file size after conversion, and which means that the longer is going to take to convert. All right, so for now I'm going to select the high definition quality or HD quality for the sake of this video. So I'm going to click on HD, and then you can see how many seconds do I want the video to spend on each slide. So let's say I'm going to spend 10 seconds on each slide before moving to the next, transiting to the next slide. Okay, 10 seconds per slide. So I'm going to click create video. Okay, now I'll have to select my videos folder. All right, evolution of fashion trend, that's the preview, and then I'll click export. Sorry, the username, the name is evolution of fashion trend. So as you can see at the bottom, once again, it is converting gradually to video right there. So if you select a lower quality, it's going to convert almost immediately, almost instantly. But if you select a higher quality like the 4K quality, it's going to take a while to convert to video. All right, and also like I said, the higher the quality, the larger the size after conversion. Okay, though it's always advised to use a high quality or create a high quality video depending on the purpose of the video. All right, so once again, we're going to wait for this to convert, and after that I'm going to play the video for you to see. So if this video is fast, you can pause the video, slow it down, and follow along with the tutorial, okay, for you to know how to convert your document to PDF and to video. All right, you can also like the video and add comment, or if you have questions or if you have issues with your PowerPoint. I do videos on PowerPoint, so you can ask any question and I can do a video on that to help you with it. So it's almost done. Okay, so our video have finished converting exported evolution of fashion trends.mp4. So I'll go to my videos folder, and then that is it. That's the video. You can see I can open it with VLC media player or any other media player, okay, that supports mp4. Of course, most of them support mp4. So you can see my video right there. Okay, so 10 seconds on each slide and then moves to the next. So that is how you convert a PowerPoint document to PDF and also to video, mp4 video quality. So see you in the next video.